Welcome to a breathtaking journey through the heart of Kings Canyon National Park, California, as we embark on a captivating walking tour of the General Grant Tree Trail. While the official trail begins at Grant Grove Village and culminates at the iconic General Grant Tree parking lot, our adventure starts from a unique vantage point along Grant Tree Road, conveniently nestled midway between the village and the trail's namesake. Join us as we explore this enchanting path and its towering companions, the magnificent giant sequoias. From towering giants to serene natural beauty, this video promises a spectacular experience in one of the most cherished groves of ancient trees in the world, with our adventure concluding at the General Grant Tree parking lot. Let's dive into the splendor of nature and immerse ourselves in the grandeur of these ancient giants.
哦，吓死人了！拿雪山过草地了，过雪地。太直了，这个急他。慢点，慢点，慢慢走，别跑。真的。 Langsam guck nach vorne, wo du hinläufst. अभी मैं उधर जाके खड़ी होती हूँ ना तो ये ट्री के साथ
As our journey through the General Grant Tree Trail and the enchanting world of Kings Canyon National Park comes to an end, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you for joining us on this memorable adventure. We hope you've been inspired by the grandeur of the giant sequoias, the serene beauty of the surroundings, and the rich history of this remarkable place. Your support and viewership mean the world to us, and we encourage you to continue exploring the wonders of our natural world. So, until our next adventure together, thank you for your time, your curiosity, and your love for the great outdoors. Safe travels, and may the beauty of nature always be your guiding star.